Welcome guys, today I'm going to be doing a video how to do a parasitic drag test on a battery car. So we're going to be doing this test on the battery to see how much battery percentage is taking off when the car is asleep. Sometimes it can happen when your car has a light turned on and you don't know, and it's going to be taking life out of the battery little by little. So we're going to need a 10 millimeter, which is going to be the both side for the battery, an amp meter, and in this case we're gonna use clamp so we can place and stay on. So we're gonna start removing the battery bowl. Disconnect the plug, put it in a place that's not gonna touch the buzzer. In the amp meter, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it on, put it to amp, make sure that you have the red cable on amp or milliamp, and in this case this one's 20 amp, which is the fuse. If you don't have it in this place, you might able to blow the fuse. So as you can see in here, it says milliamp. On this amp meter, what you will have to do, just change it until it say amp. And now we will have to do, put the positive negative cable to the battery and the red to sometimes it can be hard to put the cable because it doesn't want to stay in. Or sometimes you can just put it in a place that's not gonna be moving. As you can see here, the battery right now is 1.2, but it should bring it low. Like right now it's at 0.2, which is the right amount so it can be, so the battery life can be longer. In case if you're having a 0.5, that means you have something going on your car that is staying on, and it will be draining the battery little by little, and it will kill the battery, and we'll have to replace it every single year. If you see that it's 1.5, you might want to check all the fuses to see which one is it, what kind of fuse, and what is causing that problem. When you disconnect the fuse, you might be able to see what that fuse is for, and you might go look for it. And you will have to see the right step to fix that problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. Bye.